Good Tuesday morning, everyone. It is Travel Tuesday. Where will you go today? Check out Google Earth and click on I'm Feeling Lucky. Be ready to share where you traveled to and make sure you tell us which city or country or state it is in. Today we will go over your spelling pretest that you should have taken yesterday afternoon with the Seesaw activity I sent. If you have not taken the pretest, make sure you take the pretest before we meet at 9:45. At 10:45, you need to have printed out the place value detective so we can begin working on that. And at 11:45, you will meet with your targeted math small group. Look on the classwork checklist PowerPoint to see whose teacher you will be seeing today. This is a new small group we have started that is like a Thursday math class you had in 3rd grade. So guys, let's make it a great Tuesday, and I will see you at 8:30.